what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get a loan on Revolut. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily get a loan on Revolut. Open your Revolut app on your mobile phone. Just make sure that you're logged into your Revolut account. And in the homepage, you should be able to see the Add Money icon. Just click on it. You will be then redirected to how to add money page, and at the bottom you should be able to see get a loan option. Just click on it, and from this page at the bottom you should be able to see check out loans button. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the loan calculator page where you can select amount and duration so you can get an idea of monthly repayments. In the loan amount and loan duration, just drag to the amount or the duration that you want to loan. Then once done, just click on continue to application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!